Hi, welcome to another episode of IFN Dhaba. Today we are going to be doing achari chicken, so stay tuned. Okay, now to make achari chicken, the following ingredients which we require are a chicken, whole chicken, which is about 800 grams. This is 400 grams of yogurt, 3 onions which have been sliced. We have 2 tomatoes which have been cut finely. For the masalas, we have about 2 to 3 bay leaves, 3 heaped tablespoons of garlic ginger paste, 2 teaspoons of kalonji, and 3 heaped tablespoons of fennel seeds. And again another 2 teaspoons of methi seeds, 2 to 3 red chilies, just cut open and throw it, 1.5 teaspoon of salt, 1.5 teaspoon of red chili powder, and of course 2 tablespoons of ghee. So let's get cooking. Here I light the gas. Put the karai on the gas. And here goes in the ghee. And ghee is optional. You can use oil, you can use ghee, you can use butter, whatever you like. But me being a Punjabi, I love pure ghee. So the ghee is nicely well heated. So here goes in the garlic ginger paste. The garlic ginger paste should be slightly brown when you add the chicken. Here goes in the chicken. Stirring it well so that the paste is evenly coated on the chicken. So now we add in the bay leaves. Then we add in the kalonji. Then we add in the methi seeds. Then we add the fennel seeds, the saum. Then we throw in the red chilies. Then we add in the salt and the red chili powder. Now with all the masalas in, now you give it a quick stir, and with all the masalas well coated, you can look at the color. It's very beautiful. It's almost ready to eat. Yeah, so now we're going to add the onions. Here in go the onions. Just stir it well. Then we add in the tomatoes. Again, give it a nice good stir. And lastly, we add in the yogurt. Again, a quick stir. And as I previously said, that there is no water required for cooking. The chicken will cook in the yogurt itself. And many people wonder that why do we call it achari chicken? They always have this thing that, okay, we are going to add achar to the chicken, but that's not the case. It's called achari chicken because the masalas, that is the kalonji, the saum, the methi seeds, all those are achari masalas. So that is why it is called achari chicken. Okay, now we have assembled all our masalas, and whatever required for the chicken is in it. And now we will shut it with the lid and let it cook for a good 25 minutes on slow heat. So here's the achari chicken which is ready now to eat. It's absolutely lip smacking and very divine. If you like this recipe, subscribe to India Food Network. Any comments and feedback, write it. Thank you.